Hello, welcome. I'm John and I react to things I've never seen before. Today I'm going to be watching the 5th episode of Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood. I did have to get another episode because that last episode was pretty rough. Not in a bad way, just was very depressing. And I didn't have a lot to say about the last episode, but until I get into truly uncharted territories, I'm probably not going to have a lot to say, because a lot of this stuff I already know. I mean, there's been little changes here and out. It's definitely at a much faster pace, but I definitely do know most of this stuff. So, guys, remember that this is not a market substitute. If you want to watch the original content, you need to go onto one of the designated outlets and watch it however you please. But for now, let's do this.
What do you have there, Ed?
Oh, we're getting more time with Mom.
Present. I transmuted it. You did? You're your father's son, all right. Thank you very much. That's an amazing thing you did. Creating something as neat as this takes talent. But
If you can do that, why couldn't you make money?
Whoa.
Big brother. Let's play.
Brother,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, that's a nightmare.
You're dreaming.
Jesus, and I was saying that I wanted this to be not as depressing.
And now the
Wait,
military
what?
seeks to oppress us. But we must hold tight to our faith. The time has come to rise up, weapon in hand, and fight in the name
He came
of the
back?
great God Leto.
We fight under the protection of Leto.
Down with heathens and heresy!
No, don't be fooled.
That man speaks nothing but lies. Can't you see that?
I thought they were smarter than us.
We aren't pawns of the heathens like all of you are.
human foolishness never ceases
Ah.
to amaze me.
Jesus.
Well, if it isn't the father.
Yeah, father.
Sorry to have to put you to all of this trouble.
As soon as we
Wait, he died, so who is this?
I need to get back to.
The Full Metal Boy's interference was irritating, but at least we were able to make it work in our favor.
I was just saying in character. But if you insist, this time around I'll go with the younger,
cuter model. What do you say?
Envy.
A monster! What's going on here? What have you done?
Said I was a monster. I think that's quite rude, don't you?
Can I eat him?
A monkey.
Because of his face? Yeah, we don't really know anything else about him, so that's what we're calling him.
Our target is both unidentified and elusive. The only information we've been able to obtain about him is that he has a large scar on his forehead.
Oh no. I've been thinking about this for a long time. We put all our trust in alchemy, but in the end, what is it? Alchemy is the science of understanding the flow of matter and its laws.
Are they worried they're gonna come after him?
Construction and reconstruction. The world flows too. It must also follow laws. Everything circulates. Even death is a part of that circulation. We must accept the flow. Now here I am again, trying desperately to figure out a way to do the impossible. I'm such a hopeless
Man.
all this time and I haven't grown up one bit. Thought maybe the rain would wash away some of this gloom that's following me. But right now, every drop that hits my face is even more depressing.
Gosh darn it, we're doubling down on the depressing episodes.
Without a body, I can't feel the rain hitting my face.
You, boy, you were the Fullmetal Alchemist.
Oh shit.
Correct.
What the hell is going on here? Who is this guy? What does he want?
Get up and run.
This is really bad. I have to move now. Let's go out. Run for it.
That's right, he can like de-transmute things. Destructor. Think for a second. I guess you don't really have time.
Who are you anyway? Why are you after us?
As long as there are creators like you in the world, there must also be destroyers.
And it looks like we're gonna have to fight.
Don't let him get near Al.
But too slow.
No! I think he's...
There's nothing inside.
It looks like it didn't hit where his thing is.
An auto may alarm. Then that explains why my attacks didn't do the damage I expected. Most unusual.
Brother, don't! Just run away!
You idiot! I'm not gonna leave you behind, Al!
You press your hands together to make a ring and then you perform transmutation. Now I see. Then I will have to start by destroying this abhorrent right arm of yours.
And Winry's gonna be pissed.
Now you will not be able to use your heretic's alchemy.
Or are you going after my brother Al, too?
If he interferes, I will eliminate him. But Fullmetal Alchemist, you are the only one who's receiving judgment today.
Okay.
You alone.
Okay. In that case, I want your word. Promise me you won't hurt my brother.
What are you thinking? Run! Get up and run! Stop! Don't touch him! No! No, you can't! Stop!
Come on.
That's enough! You won't be killing anybody else today, Scar.
As an agent of God, I am here to hand down his judgment. If you interfere, I will eliminate you as well.
Oh, is that right? You guys stay out of it.
Colonel Mustang, sir!
Colonel Mustang. So this is the Flame Alchemist.
It's raining.
Volunteering yourself to receive judgment. This is truly an auspicious day.
So you know who I am, and you still want to challenge me.
What the?
Bad decision.
God for you.
Hey, Hawkeye, what the hell did you do that for?
You know as well as I do, you're useless on rainy days. Please stay back.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's kind of hard to get a spark going when it's raining, huh?
It is fortunate that you can't create your blasphemous flame state, Alchemist. For I will destroy all who interfere with my mission right here and now.
I'd like to see you try it!
A newcomer.
You have to be quick to avoid my fist. Not bad. Not bad at all. You said you were going to destroy us all. In that case,
Gotta love
why don't you
Armstrong.
start by defeating me? We'll see how you fare against the strong-arm alchemist, Alex Louis Armstrong.
Yet another state, Alchemist. God is putting them in my path.
Get him.
Me.
Not backing down? In that case, your courage will earn you a demonstration. I'll show you the art of alchemy that has been passed down the Armstrong family for generations.
So this killer is an alchemist too.
That's it. The stages of the transmutation process are construction, deconstruction, and reconstruction. This guy just must stop at the deconstruction phase.
And what would be his reasons for only targeting alchemists with state certification?
And that's not the time to figure it out.
He's unusually coordinated for his size, and his strength is almost superhuman. That combined with his alchemy
Why didn't they just shoot him?
will be an easy one.
I have you cornered, Scar!
But there's a moment when his swing is too wide.
Thank you.
You get him?
He's too fast. I only grazed him with one shot.
So shoot more.
Red highs and brown skin, that means he's... of course he's in Ishvalan.
Perhaps there are too many.
You might as well
Yep,
give
yep, yep.
up, Scar. You're not getting away.
Bastard is in the sewers. Oh, is it over now?
Dang.
Lieutenant Colonel Hughes, where have you been this whole time?
I thought it best to lay low.
You didn't think about maybe backing us up?
Of course not! A person like me shouldn't get dragged into a freak show with you pack of pseudo-humans. It's bad for my health! Don't just stand there, we've got things to do!
Smartest one in the group.
Circulate his description.
What kind of idiot are you?
No way, I'm not just gonna run away and leave you behind.
Which is exactly why you're an idiot!
What?
What do you
What
keep
do you
buzzing me like
expect?
that for? If I'd run away, you could have been killed, you know that?
Survival is the only way, Ed. Live on. Learn more about alchemy. You could find a way to get our bodies back and help people like Nina. You can't do that by dying. I won't allow you to abandon the possibility of...
All right, Al's got a point.
Oh, great! And now my arms come off because my brother's a big fat idiot!
We're really falling apart, aren't we, brother? We look like we belong in a junkyard.
The Ishvalans were a race of people who lived to the east of us. They believed that their god Ishvalan
Okay,
was the
good,
one
good, good, good.
absolute creator. Even after they were annexed into the country, there were still conflicts between us and them. One uprising led to another, and before long, the rebellion had spread to the whole eastern sector. After 7 years of this, an order came down from the military high command to exterminate Ishval. That man is an Ishvalan survivor. In a sense, his revenge is justified.
No way! There's no
No.
justification for taking revenge on people who had nothing to do with it.
Next time, there will be no more talk. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Shoot on sight.
Before we can make any headway on getting your body back, we have to get my arm back to normal. After all, I'm the only one who knows how
Oh
to
man.
bond soul to the armor.
What's Winry gonna say?
We've got no choice. It's been a long time. We need to pay a visit to our mechanic.
Oh man. Oh. Well, that was the 5th episode. Another depressing episode. But it was still good. It was funny in parts, and there was some info that I had forgotten. And I definitely didn't know. I liked seeing the map and everything that they showed. That was really cool. If you guys are liking the content I'm putting out, maybe hit the like button so more people can see it. And if you want to see when stuff gets uploaded, maybe subscribe. And we're going to have videos up every Monday and Thursday. Or I'm going to. It's just me. But if you guys have any suggestions for things to watch, I don't mind having 2 shows going at once, or maybe maybe a movie, an animated or anime movie, or any movie, any cult classics that I might have missed. Expectation-wise, let's see, what do we have? Maybe in the next episode we'll hear more about Scar. Maybe not. Oh, well, obviously in the next episode we're going to Winry's. So in the next episode we're probably going to go and get our butts chewed out from Winry. Then Al can fix up, or then Ed can fix up Al. Looking forward to getting into new territory, but I still am enjoying what I'm seeing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one.